Brain drain for school students. By definition, brain drain refers to a psychological thought that makes people migrate from their home country to foreign lands sensing greater glory abroad. It is a pitiable scenario that makes the most talented pool go out of the country seeking opportunities elsewhere. Brain drain is a potential problem that drastically brings down the country's economic growth. Unemployment, lack of facilities and technological challenges are common reasons for brain drain problem in India. The workforce movement from developing countries to the developed ones is known as brain drain. It is the relocation or migration of human beings from one place to another. It was generally concerned with low-skilled or unskilled labor from Asian, African, and other such countries going and working in the Gulf countries. But since some time, even highly educated individuals with high pay levels are migrating to countries like United States, Australia, Germany, United Kingdom, etc. In a research study conducted, it was found that higher the level of education, the chances of the individual migrating to developed countries. The most popular brain drain occupations include scientists, physicians, academicians and engineers. Brain drain is also known as human capital flight. In the 1900s, the percentage of the capable workforce lost to brain drain was 16%, and it has now increased to 21%. The reasons for this migration of workers are numerous. They may be better opportunities, higher pay, better standard of living, less crime, better political conditions, etc. Inadequate infrastructure and poor living conditions can be a significant factor. Some developing countries fail to provide its people even with essential systems such as good healthcare and sanitation. Unstable political conditions also act as a contributing factor. If the political environment is stable, it becomes predictable, and people feel safer and secure in such a situation. Types of brain drain. Brain drain is mainly categorized into two types. Internal brain drain. In this, the individual moves from one profession to another. For example, a marketing manager working in a company might change his profession line by teaching. Internal brain drain includes organizational and industrial brain drain. Organizational brain drain occurs when highly talented individuals jump from one organization to the other. It creates losses and burdens for the organization from which people leave. Industrial brain drain includes the movement of skilled workers from one industry to another. External brain drain, this is the migration of a worker from the home country to a developed one. For example, a dentist working in India might start his or her practice in the United States. External brain drain includes geographical brain drain. It is the emigration of workers searching for higher paying jobs and higher living standards. Why is brain drain detrimental? Brain drain can cause a lot of disadvantages to the home country. It can lead to hampering of economic growth. There also arises a shortage of skilled and semi-skilled workers in the host country. The host country is forced to fill these expatriates' positions who demand even higher salaries and other benefits. Indian money is spent on educating people of India, and also when they go abroad, their fee is paid by the Indians here. But it is mostly seen that the trend is that you also settle abroad when you study abroad. This leads to a lot of wastage of Indian resources, including money. The gap between the rich and the poor also keeps on stretching and increases daily. The major hit to a country is losing its most talented and outstanding individuals. The state doesn't necessarily suffer when a few individuals migrate, but when thousands of competent working individuals leave, it can cause substantial financial and economic losses leading to lower productivity and growth.